The evolution of cars from 1886 to 2022 has been marked by significant technological advancements, design changes, and improvements in safety, efficiency, and sustainability. Here's a broad timeline of key developments. 1886–1910, the birth of the automobile. 1886, Carl Benz invents the first gasoline-powered car, the Benz patent motor wagon. 1893, Charles and Frank Doria build the first gasoline-powered car in the U.S. 1908, Henry Ford introduces the Model T, revolutionizing mass production with assembly line manufacturing. 1910–1930, growth and standardization. 1913, Ford's assembly line significantly reduces car production costs. 1920s, electric starters replace hand cranks, and cars gain closed bodies and improved comfort. 1927, Ford introduces the Model O, with better styling and engineering. 1930–1950, streamlining and wartime influence. 1930s, Art Deco designs emerge, and aerodynamic body shapes become popular. 1934, the Chrysler Airflow introduces streamlined design for better aerodynamics. 1940s, World War II halts civilian car production.